Module 6. What does GUV light do and how does it work? In this module, we will explore the definition of pathogen, definition of germicide, the CDC upper room GUV definition, and how GUV works. GUV inactivates pathogens in the air. So here's a new word alert, pathogens. What is a pathogen? An organism or other agent that causes disease. So GUV fixtures inactivate potential pathogens indoors. What is a germicide? So the definition of germicide is something such as an antiseptic or disinfectant that destroys or inactivates, meaning kills, pathogens such as bacteria or viruses, an agent or preparation that is effective against germs. The result is a loss of ability to replicate, preventing the bacteria or virus from causing infection. CDC describes upper room GUV in the following way. The upper room, and they refer to GUV as UVGI, refers to a disinfection zone of UVC energy that is located above people in the rooms they occupy. So the upper room GUV inactivates or kills airborne pathogens in the room where these pathogens are released. So GUV fixtures are installed to prevent direct exposure of people in the room. On the left side, you see an image that shows these upper room GUV fixtures mounted above people, and the louvers are set so that UVC rays travel above people's heads so they will not be exposed. This image shows upper room GUV fixtures that use a 254 nanometer or a low pressure mercury lamp. Now these lamps generate the invisible UVC, but also generate some visible blue light. And when you turn the lights off in a room, you can actually see how this blue light travels, and the invisible UVC light travels in the same pattern. So here the louvers are set to have the UVC energy travel safely above people's heads. So for airborne viral particles, upper room GUV systems also provide air changes per hour that are similar to the introduction of clean air into space by continuously inactivating potential pathogens in air. This image shows whole room GUV fixtures. Now, whole room GUV fixtures create disinfection zones of UVC energy that travel throughout the entire room. And here you can see some ceiling mounted fixtures and a fixture that is mounted on a tripod. So different configurations are available. So how does upper room GUV work? Air passes through the disinfection zone from either airflow through HVAC system diffusers, fans, convection, and or open windows. So as the air moves through this disinfection zone, potential pathogens can get inactivated. The airborne pathogens, viruses for example, are inactivated, meaning killed, once they receive an appropriate amount of UVC energy. So these viral particles remain in the air, but are no longer infectious and will be dying off. So let's review the key points. GUV fixtures inactivate, meaning kill, potential pathogens, meaning organisms that can cause disease indoors. A germicide destroys or inactivates pathogens such as bacteria and viruses. Upper room GUV refers to a disinfection zone of UV energy that is located above people in the rooms they occupy. Whole room GUV creates a disinfection zone of UVC energy throughout the entire room. Upper room and whole room GUV work by air passing through GUV disinfection zones, where airborne pathogens are inactivated once they receive an appropriate amount of GUV energy.